Summer is here and it is hot. Today we are mixing up a hydration beverage. You're watching Straight from the Doctor's Desk with me, Dr. Andrea Purcell. I am a naturopathic medical doctor with more than 2 decades of experience specializing in health and hormone balancing. Diet and lifestyle play a huge role in our health, which is why what we drink is so important. One of the best ways to keep your energy up is to make sure that you are well hydrated. Magnesium, sodium, and potassium are the main electrolytes lost through the sweating process. In the summer, you want to consider adding 8 to 12 ounces of some type of rehydration drink that contains electrolytes. And my easy go-to for this, like grab and go, is a coconut water. There are a number of ways to address hydration, and it's easy to get distracted by advertising and think that electrolytes only come in a bottle that can be purchased at the store. And that is simply not true. Many sports drinks contain high amounts of sugar, unnecessary food colorings, and no actual juice. Mother Nature, there she is, in her innate wisdom, has provided so many varieties of fruits and vegetables for us to eat that are naturally occurring sources of electrolytes. So today I have a hydration recipe for you. It is a fresh pressed cucumber juice. Cucumbers are highly alkalinizing and they are a deeply hydrating food, rich in nutrients such as vitamins A, C, K, magnesium, silicon, and potassium. Cucumbers act as a natural diuretic, so they can help you if you're hanging on to water and are a really great source of fiber. They're high in chlorophyll and lignin, which makes the cucumber a great anti-cancer food. So cucumbers contain beneficial electrolytes that have the ability to bring nutrients and hydration deep into your cells and your tissues, making it more effective than simply drinking water alone. So I want you to try this drink, give it a whirl, let me know what you think about it, and you just check out the recipe below. Happy hydrating!